Good morning, people! So, good morning, guys. My gosh, ilang weeks ako hindi nag-vlog. So, hindi yun naman siguro makahalata yan kasi upload ako ng upload. So, today is, ano na ba tayo ngayon? Tuesday, I believe. Yeah, Tuesday. And, mag-vlog ako ulit. So, maaga pa. It is now like 9:30 in the morning. Naka-feed ko lang kay Kai. So, na-feed ko na siya pero nagising kasi si Mia. Kinukulit. Kumakanta-kanta pa siya. But, yeah, lumabas na yung isa kasi ito turn off daw niya yung aircon. Nilalamig siya and kakapump ko lang din. So, actually, while I'm pumping, pinifeed ko siya. He is taking express breast milk at the moment kasi hindi pa din okay yung nipple ko, guys. Nasakit pa din siya. Kasi now and then naman, pinapalatch ko si Kai. And, nananotice ko pag naglalatch siya, parang hindi nag-heal yung nipple ko. So, I think I have to stop him from latching muna until mag-heal yung nipple ko. I noticed na yung right side is better compared dito sa kabila. So, pag dito siya naglalatch, parang hindi ako na-hurt compared sa kabila.
And Kai is baby because he always used this to play with me.
Ayan, bumalik na siya. Andito na siya. Magugulo na siya ulit. Go change your clothes na. Come on. Hi. Anyway, ayun. Pupunta yan siya ng daycare, guys. Bibihis yan siya. So, I have her clothes here ready. Mia, late na ikaw. Pupunta siya dun, magla-lunch na naman. Hindi na siya makakapaglaro. She always miss the activity in the morning kasi late na siya. Half day lang siya dun. 11:30 na siya pupunta ng daycare, guys. So, today, meron tayong GP's appointment. Nag-book ako, guys, kasi I'm worried with my tahi. Ang tahi ko. Parang meron siyang buka. Hey! Kai is sleeping. Nabubuka yung tahi ko kasi parang konti lang naman yung parang very light. Yung parang bilog lang siya na bumuka. Tatlong dalawang side tsaka sa gitna. Kasi I was coughing the whole time. Nung first week, nagka-cough ako, guys. And I think yun yung reason bakit bumuka siya. Nilalagyan ko naman siya ng pressure. I decided to book an appointment sa GP just to make sure na okay siya. Kasi nakakatihan ako, guys, or baka healing na siya kaya nakati. Pero meron kasi siyang rush ng konti. Sabi ko, ipacheck ko lang, wala namang mawawala akong ipacheck ko. Kaya lang di pa ako makakapag-drive. Ano pala ngayon ni Kai? 2 weeks pa lang si Kai, guys. Oh wait, Tuesday today. 3 weeks na si Kai today. Today Kai is 3 weeks old. She's 3 weeks old. She's almost 1 month. Yeah. He's almost 1 month, Mia.
He's 3 years old.
3 weeks. Yeah. 21 days. Am I right? 21 days old.
I'm 4 years old.
You are 4 years. Your years. Kai is weeks only. So, ayun. So, yeah, 3 weeks old na siya today kasi today's Tuesday. Pinanganak ko siya Tuesday. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, ang bilis. Ang bilis. So, nung nag-vlog ako, pa lang siya, nung days old pa lang siya nun, guys. Kasi hindi ako nag-vlog. Oh my god, ilang weeks ako hindi nag-vlog. 1 week lang naman siguro and few days. But, yeah. 3 weeks old na ngayon si Kai. So, yeah. He's been very good. Eating well. Sleeping well as well. Iiyak lang siya pag kailangan mo i-change your nappy or nagugutom na siya or sometimes I feel like meron gassy siya, like parang uncomfortable kasi pag natutulog siya parang nag-stretch siya ng konti, stretch siya ng konti na parang may masakit sa kanya. So feeling ko gassy siya. Kalimutan ko yung aking breast milk, andito pa. Hindi ko pa nilagay sa freezer. Ang dami ko ng stash ng milk, guys. As in, sa freezer, wala nang space yung freezer namin.
Mommy, look what I made.
Wow. Kasi, puro milk ko. Ayan o, 2 side yan today. Hindi ko sila ilalagay sa fridge kasi puno. Meron pa akong stocks. Actually, hindi puno. Meron pa akong stock for the whole day. So, mamaya ulit. So, ilang meals to? Like, 110 meals to siya. And may kwento pa pala ako, guys. Kakaloka. So, puro kwento na to. Update sa inyo. Kasi nga, ilang araw tayo hindi nag-vlog. So, yesterday, Mia was playing sa bathroom namin. Diyan sa bench. Diyan ko nilalagay. Diyan ko para pinapatuyo yung breast pump ko. Diba yung gamit ko is yung Anko na breast pump. Yung wearable pump. So, ito siya yung gamit ko. And, nahulog niya yung isa, yung ano lang, yung bilog. Kasi, natatanggal yung takip eh. So, yung takip okay. But, nahulog niya yung bilog sa toilet bowl. Nahulog niya, guys. So, nangyari, like, kahapon, I have to use my Medela pump. Which is yun yung first pump ko talaga kay Mia. Kay Mia pa yun. And, na-notice ko, yun yung gamit ko hanggang gabi. Hanggang umaga kanina. Tapos parang nag-i-engorge yung aking dede. Parang hindi siya nagpapump ng maayos. And na-notice ko din, hindi madami yung lumalabas. Unlike saan ko na brand, yung nakaka 100 mils ako each boob. Wow. Go change na. I told you so many times, did I? Change, dali. Malate ikaw. Yeah, you have to put it back now. And magalaw na sikay. And, sabi ko, masakit yung dede ko. Ikakapam ko lang naman. So, pag yun yung ginamit ko, yung Medela, 50 mils lang isang boob. So, sabi ko, bakit yun? Bakit saan ko ang daming supply? Tapos, na-feel ko na hindi empty talaga yung boobs ko pag Medela yung gamit ko. Sabi ko, bakit ano? Baka naninibago? Or something. Tapos, nung this morning, nung umaga na, like 3 a.m., nagpump ako. Hindi ko na talaga kaya, guys. Sabi ko, parang mag-i-engorge ako. Ang sakit-sakit na. Like, punong-puno siya. Tapos, ginamit ko talaga yung isang pump lang. So, tig isa-isa. 20 minutes, 20 minutes. Nilower down ko na siya kasi before 30 minutes. So, ngayon, 20 minutes na lang ako mag-pump. Para hindi masyadong madami. Kasi pag 30 minutes, sobrang dami ng supply. Yun lang. Napapatagal lalo kasi tig isa-isa. Unlike pag dalawa sila, mabilis 20 minutes lang together. Eh, pag isa-isa, 20-40 minutes, guys. So, yeah, yun lang. Napapatagalan kasi isa na lang. Nag-place naman ako ng order kahapon sa Kmart to pick up. Like, click and collect. Kaya lang, guys, out of stock sila. Kinancel nila yung in-order ko kasi wala daw silang stock. Pero dun no, sa website na in-orderan ko, mayroon pa silang one stock. Kaya lang, ayun. Nung in-order ko na, wala na daw. Wala na. Kinancel nila kasi wala na silang stock. Ubus na. And then, nag-order na lang ako for delivery. So, it's gonna be 3 days pa to come here. So, sabi ko, okay lang yan. I will just use this for now. Isa-isang boob. Yun. Sabi ko, mas okay pa yung Anko kaysa sa Medela. Eh, samantalang before, okay naman ako dun sa Medela. Yun kasi yung gamit ko. Or baka naninibago. Hindi ko alam, guys. But, yeah. Yeah, in fairness, I really like the Anko one. Kasi, tingnan nyo naman yung supply ko. At tapos, ang bilis niya lang, may timer pa siya. Ang bilis niya lang talaga mag-pump. So, yeah. If naghahanap kayo ng breast pump, yan, Anko sa Kmart. Nakita ko lang itong breast pump na to kay Ate Reyes kasi yun yung ginamit niya. Sabi ko, matry ko nga. Iniisip ko, pag bumili ako ng super expensive na pump, magsa-stock din naman ako. Pero hindi ko siya magagamit talaga the whole. Ha?
Can I ask you a question?
Yes?
I'm covering my mouth because I don't want nobody to see this.
It's okay, stop touching it. Don't touch it. Meron siyang bubu dito.
Mommy,
And
might
pinipil off
be
niya.
my skin back to normal again.
Well, if you keep peeling that off, it's not gonna be okay. So, go na. Change na your clothes. Ay, hindi ko magsistop din naman ako ng pump. So, yung mumurahin na lang yung bibilhin ko muna. Kasi, mahal talaga yung mga breast pump, guys.
Mommy, I think Timpo give me this.
No, I bought it for you.
He bought it for me.
So, ayun. Sabi ko, try ko yung Anko since nagustuhan siya ni Ate
But
Reyes.
it smells like Tita Pro.
Since nagustuhan siya ni Ate Reyes, yun na lang muna yung gagamitin ko. Nagustuhan ko siya, in fairness. Samantalang yung Medela, hindi ko na nagustuhan ngayon nung natry ko yung Anko. Natry nyo, guys. Mura lang siya sa Kmart. My gosh. Yan lang kasi hindi siya hospital grade, but like, okay na siya. It works well for me. So, yeah. And hindi ako nag-i-engorge. Parang na-empty niya lahat ng ng supply ko. So, yeah. In fairness dyan, I like it. Anyway, ang dami kong kwento. 10 minutes kwento yun. 10 minutes kwento. Naka 10 minutes tayo na chika, guys. Anyway, nagbibihis na si Mia. And Daddy will drop her off to daycare.
Okay, where's Daddy?
Downstairs. Yeah. So, hurry up. I'll fix your hair. And Daddy will drop you off. This week, it's been really, really hot. Like, super hot. Nag 40 degrees ata nung isang araw. Kahapon. 37 degrees. So, yeah. Ewan ko, guys. Mommy's nails are really long now. I need to go to the
Nail cutter, so...
nail cutter. Okay, I'll do your hair. What hairstyle do you want today?
The one that Teddy Pretty made. The pony hair to the pretty made.
You need your... Where's your other hair tie? Is it here? It's not here, baby. Where is it? Downstairs? Hmm?
Right here.
That one doesn't stay long. Oh, maybe there. It's in the... Oh, no. You have a pink one. Where is it? You lost the pink one?
I mean, that pink one inside there?
Oh, that one doesn't. It's not strong enough as well for your hair.
It's looking so pretty. Then I want That's a big yawn.
Alright. That should be alright. Like a Barbie. Be careful though, this is not too tight. Let's go.
I feel like it's too tight.
Is it?
Yeah, I just want it to be like that.
Okay. Okay, go downstairs. Go to Daddy.
Huh? What's happening to my hair?
Okay, go to Daddy na.
So I cover my face with.
How about sunscreen? Put sunscreen first. Ay, you're gonna break your... You're gonna break this. Come on, that's enough. Sunscreen? Hello, people. Kakagising ko lang. Nakatulog ako ulit. Natulog talaga ako ulit. Kasi kulang tayo sa tulog. Yes. Kailangan natin matulog. So, nagising na din si Kai. So, nandito siya. Hello, people. Ayan siya. Hello, people. I'm awake too. Gusto mo dede. So, ayan. Ano na? What time na? 1:50 na, guys. 2:30 yung appointment namin. But I need to pump. So, nagpa-pump ako ngayon sa kabila. Kasi nag-iisa na lang yung breast pump natin. And after this, sa kabila na naman. But I think I'll do that in the car while, yeah, on the way sa doctor. And si Kai, kailangan niya magdede. So, I'm just heating up the milk. And after that, yeah, alis na tayo pag tapos na siya magdede. So, timing lang yan, 20 minutes. And then, I'll do this in the car. And then, yeah, we will be there sa ating destination. Magpapalit lang ako. Yun lang. We're not gonna put anything in our face kasi uuwi din naman tayo agad-agad. So, yeah, natulog siya ulit, guys. Ay, gising. Gising pero nakapikit. So, yun. That's the update. Gusto ko pa matulog. Kaya lang sabi ko, alis kami. I have an appointment. So, yeah. So, ito yung pump natin. 6 minutes na tayo. And, nasa level 5 ko siya nilagay. Level 5. And, Madami siyang option actually. So, yung una kong ginagamit na ano is ito. Ito yung first. Ayan. So, meron, yun yung ginagamit ko na pang-pump. So, yan. Oh no! Iyak siya! Wait. Gutom. Oh. Okay. Gutom na itong bibi namin. Gutom. Take off sleeping bag. Oh, yan na. Ready na. I can hear the beep, beep, beep. Ready na. Oh, gutom na to. Gutom na. Tapos bihisan pala natin itong batang to. Kasi nakasando lang to. Oh, pulang-pula na. Oh, pulang-pula na. Hindi siya happy. Oh. It's okay. It's coming. Oh. What's that look? It's coming. It is coming. Hello. Pulang-pula siya, guys. Oh, stretch. Oh, ski. Superman. Hey, Superman. Superman. Oh. Yun. Okay. Are you pushing, baby? What are you doing? Pushing? We need to change the nappy, guys. Oops. Punong-puno man yan. Laying down properly, baby. Let's get your gatas. Alright, so this is the milk. 100 mils. Ubus nyo to, guys. Minsan kulang pa sa kanya. Ayan. So, ready na for the feed. Dito na kami. Kai is there. Comfortable yan. Huh? Cute. O, didi na naman siya. O, diba? Timing. Pagdating namin sa bahay, guys. 4 na. And June na siya for feed.
So, ito yung stayhan na mo. Kaya sila sang ano na sa dalo. Manilo mga bento. Pero mga manami, Joy. Birda yung first day.
Tita Pretty showing their photos.
Parang kakaong kami. Ulang kami sinaabot.
Japan trip.
Check-in lang naman sa Narita.
Hindi niya ina-upload mga pictures niya, guys. Andyan lang sa home niya.
Nauna na din Albany.
Nauna pa ang Albany, oh. Nag-long drive sila last time. Nauna pa upload yun kaysa sa Japan trip niya. Pangalawa na niya.
Hokkaido.
It's your second trip to Japan, no?
Yeah.
With JC.
And then third trip next year. Or, I don't know if it's December, but I think it's January.
This boy is gutom na naman. Magpapump ako, kaya lang lubat si Pump. Kanina, umalis kami, lubat siya ng mga, mga 15 minutes pa lang. 20 minutes ako nagpapump.
Oh, it's a nice ride.
So, hindi natapos.
Where's the train?
Oh yeah, that's a nice shot. You took that picture?
Of course.
Wow, you're getting better at it.
Yeah,
Pag siya yung mag-take ng picture namin before, mali man yung anggulo. O, diba? Gutom yung baby na yarn. Oh, matutulog na. Oh.
Sa Hokkaido ni sa Japan.
So cute man na baby na yarn.
Tingnan sa Japan, do tower sa sa Hokkaido.
First time lumabas ni Kai, ang init-init, guys. Actually, first time namin lumabas today.
Yeah.
Pero dun lang, yung first labas namin is going to the doctor. And ang init-init pa. Tapos, yung isa naming car, hindi na umandar kasi 3 weeks nang nakapark lang sa garage. So, we have to transfer the car seat and everything. Hindi pa kasi tapos yung isang car na ginagawa ni Daddy.
Isa sa mga gikan
Yung family car talaga nagagamitin namin. Oh, that's good. I'm craving for something
oyster.
nice.
Oyster is the best sa Japan.
I wanna eat something different.
Lain na hila oyster, Joy. Dako. Kag hindi ito yung malansaya. Pagka umaya, smooth lang
Oyster na hindi luto.
Hindi luto.
Ay,
may luto ma, pero hindi luto. Pero hindi luto. Yun ang minamit. Yan. Lain lang oyster.
Speaking of oyster, I want oyster Kilpatrick. Oh my gosh, I wanna eat it now. The oyster carpaccio.
Look.
That's nice.
Parang ka, ano.
Kai is sleeping already.
Araw
Habang
ni Minami.
nandede.
Araw ni Minami. Ako dako na yan, Joy.
Ano na siya?
Do, isa na yan. Kakamot na ako niya, Joy. Kadako.
Oyster.
Oyster.
Oh, that's a big one. My gosh.
Oo, pero kasi namin namin yan. Siya malansa.
Is it charging? Yeah, it's charging.
Ay, na,
Ba't ang bilis malubat? Yung problema sa pump, parang ang bilis niya malubat, guys. Parang 1 or 2 lang ako makakapag-pump ng 20 minutes. Lubat na siya.
Wala kong, ano na siyang maizakaya, marang sa izakaya mong maging, ano. Ang harap na rin na mo, magkakaibigan nga, ano, kaya isa lang siya ka-table. Dahil ang harap naman na mo kakilala.
Kai, puti-puti man ang kamay, pero the face is so moreno. Ha? Tingnan mo. Be. Diba?
Hindi na gani, puti-putis ka kamumot. Malay mo rin, masadiya.
Ang puti ng kamay, but the face is like dark. Ginaliba ka ni Mami. Ginaliba ka ni Mami.
Look. Mga
Sabi.
pakat dito, mga kalanaan.
Sabi ng auntie ni V,
Mm.
we have to talk to Kai our own language. Like, we have to speak to him in Vietnamese and we speak to him in, I don't know, Tagalog or
4 years
dialect.
old na siya.
Yeah, and Mia too.
She can't understand.
They eventually learn. Kambal nila, sabi nila.
Dahil ka kayo Mia, nito mag-English.
And even Mia knows how to
kain lang, hambal niya kaon.
Well, she understands some of the Filipino words.
Ayos din lang ang parking niya. Masulod ka na, isa-isa lang na. Tapos ano siya, gataas siya. Gataas siya, gababa,
Parang elevator.
underground. Oo. Nung kailangan mo magkulat. Muna, sarap yung maging, so kayo.
So sabi ko, we will try. Kasi it's hard. Kasi me and V speaks the same, like, English lang sa bahay.
Pero bata sila eh. They,
yeah, but that's why the vegetarian auntie said na their grandson, they only go to their house once a week and they speak Vietnamese to them, but they understand.
Yeah.
So I was like, yeah, that's cool. Maybe I'll try with Kai. And even the child health nurse said, no, you have to speak. Try to speak your language to him. Sabi ng child health nurse. They will eventually learn. Because at school daw, nag-i-English naman.
Yeah. With his friends and all.
Yeah. And they will eventually pick up the words.
So nice. Look.
Yeah, that one was really nice. My gosh. Ano man? Look at the people. Oh, so strong yan. Hindi na siya natulog after ni Dede, guys. Nag-ano na lang siya. Nag-tummy time, nag-play-play. Tapos na siya mag-play-play dun sa kanyang mat. Hello ka, people. Hello, people. Can you see people here? Oh. So strong man yung baby ko. Oh. Where are you looking? Sige. Hala. Jig. Si Tita Pretty. Ayun na, nag-pick up na kay Mia kasi si Daddy umalis. No, we cannot pick up Ate Mia because we're not allowed to drive yet. Mommy's not allowed to drive yet. Ay, nakalimutan ko i-update. Yun, sabi ng JP guys, okay naman daw yung tahi ko. Pawisan daw yung banda doon sa tahi. Kasi yun yung worry ko. Sabi ko, bakit parang may rashes? Kaya sabi niya, pag ano mo siya, i-dry, i-pat mo lang, pat dry. Hello! Pepper! Hello, malam! Hindi na siya happy, guys. Okay, lay down na pa. Oh, there you go. Lay down. Parang ano pa siya? Parang gutom. Gutom pa ikaw? Gutom pa ikaw? Ha? Ikatina, parang matutulog ka na. Gutom pa ikaw? Gutom pa ikaw, my boy? Ha? Gutom pa ikaw? My Sigma boy? Sigma boy? Sigma boy. Can you see yourself there? My love, can you see yourself? Oh, so gwapo naman yung baby ko. So pogi. Ha? Who do you look like? Ha? Sino kamukha mo, my love? Sino kamukha mo? Daddy o mommy? Sino ang kamukha ni Kai Kai? Sino kamukha? Daddy o mommy? Hello. May moreno boy yan, oh. Tingnan nyo yung skin namin. Moreno boy? May moreno boy? Ha? Ha? Bakit moreno ikaw? Ha? Ha? Mana kay daddy? Sabi ni daddy nung bata daw siya. Like yung mga age ni Mia kasi gala-gala siya sa labas. Maitim daw talaga siya. Eh sabi ko hindi naman like inborn yung pagkaitim mo. Ano yun? Kakagala mo yun sa labas. 'Di ba? Kakagala lang yun ni daddy. No? Eh ikaw? Moreno ka ba talaga? Kasi ang puti-puti man ang kamay mo dong. Ang puti-puti ng kamay, tapos ang face mo, moreno. Dark. Pati yung paa, ang puti-puti. Yung face mo lang talaga. Hello, can you see yourself? Is that you in the camera? Is that my dudong lang? Is that my baby ba? Is that my baby boy lang in the camera? Can you see yourself pa? Can you see yourself? That's you. Yes, that's my baby boy. That's my body. My body. Are you mini mommy? Are you mini mommy or mini daddy? What? Are you mini mommy or mini daddy? Anyway, parating mo yun si Ate Mia mamaya lang. And I need to pump. Hindi ako nag-pump pa since dumating kami, guys. Medyo madami na tayong naipon dito. This boy parang gutom pa. Antok pa o gutom? Antok o gutom? Ano? Kasi kanina pa siya nga. Lagay mo siya dito sa dede ko. Ganun siya. Tingnan niyo. Dede. Naiintindihan niya yung dede. Dede lang? Okay. Dede lang? Dede lang? So, yes, mommy. Yes. Dede. Ay, naku. Ang gigil si mami sa'yo. Tulog na siya, guys. Nakakatulog din ako eh. Habang pinapatulog ko siya. Diba? Andito na si Mia, narinig ko. Nakarating lang nila. Tulog na yung baby ko. Ito, transfer ko lang to sa, niya, sa cot. Naantok din ako, pero kailangan ko mag-pump. Mamaya, magugulo na yung ate niya dito. Gigisingin na naman to, kakatulog lang. Good luck. Naka-on pala yung white noise. Magpa-pump na ako, guys. Sakit mo ng dede ko. Pump tayo. What time na ba? 5:34 na. Ang hapon. What's our boy? What is that? What do you have? Sleeping. Shh. Quiet. What's that? What flavor is that? Lemon? Yummy? Are you clean or dirty? Don't go to the bed if you're dirty. Don't touch Kai. You're from school. You have sand? How about your feet? That's clean. Good job.
What's this for?
That's suck. Did you have fun at school? Where's my kiss? You forgot my kiss?
I can't go because Kai's here.
Okay. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? No?
I just want cold things because I'm feeling hot.
Yeah, it's very hot outside. Oh. Be quiet, okay? Because he just fall asleep. Kai just fall asleep. He's really tired.
Let me check my hair.
What?
Is that?
No, there's no sun on your hair.
Yeah, I think
Kaya
it's
gising
pretty.
niya lang, guys.
Mommy, do you
Iyak
know
ng iyak
what?
kasi gutom.
Something bit me again. You want to see?
Really? At
Look.
school?
Feel here. Feel it here.
It's raining. What? It's raining outside.
Mommy,
Can you hear
why
it?
is it raining outside?
I don't know, baby.
Are you happy that it's raining? Because it's gonna wash the car outside. Mommy, do you...
You wanna feed baby brother? Hindi pa siya naka-shower. Sabay kami magsha-shower after nito siguro pag natulog ulit to. Na, pag natulog ulit ang ating Kai.
Mommy, to...
Napagalitan na naman ang ate kasi yung ingay-ingay.
Mommy, can you look at me?
Nagising tuloy itong batang to kasi yung ingay-ingay niya. Mabuti na lang din talaga. Ang pait-pait nito, natutulog lang siya mag-isa. Ayun o. Natutulog yan mag-isa. Kahit ang ingay-ingay. Kanina talaga sigaw-sigaw yan. Yung sinisigaw talaga niya in purpose para magising yung kapatid niya.
Like me only like the far side?
Napagalitan tuloy. Kakatapos lang namin kumain, guys. We just got back in the room. Tulog pa din ang ating baby boy. Ayan siya. Iniwan lang siya namin dito. Ilagay ko lang yung monitor para makakain kami. And yes, tulog pa din siya. Lumagalaw-galaw na nga eh. Anyway, gabi na, guys. What time na? What time is it, Mia? Let me see the time. What? 9:30? Oh, ayan. Timing. 9:31 na, guys, ng gabi. Antok na ako. So, what time ba siya nag-feed? I think that was 6, 7, 8, 9. Ayan, mag-feed na siya ulit. Very soon. 9:30 na eh. So, pag nagising na yan, natulog siya ulit. So, pag nagising na yan, dede na naman siya. Naku, magpapump na naman. Oh my gosh. So, yeah. That's it. So, yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe in our channel if you haven't yet. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell below if you guys want to be notified when we upload more videos. And if you want to see our cutie pie, Mia, maingay yung white noise. Mia, say goodnight to the people. Sa kanya yung phone ko. Say goodnight. Okay. See you guys next time. And baby brother, say goodnight to people. Say goodnight, my love. Bye, guys.